Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Snapchat account permanently on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, what we have to do, launch Snapchat. Now we have to tap on profile icon in top left corner. Then tap settings in top right corner. Here, scroll, and under sport we have to tap on I need help. Here we have to wait for a couple of minutes. Now tap three lines in top right corner. Now tap on my account and security. Here we have to tap on my account is locked. Scroll, and under your account has been permanently locked, tap on unlock your account. Now what we have to do, tap on unlock my account. Tap unlock. That's it. You have unlocked your account. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.